So I invite my friend to play some Dungeons and Dragons with me, except it's not really Dungeons and Dragons. My friend Forreign has to put on a concert, but his equipment breaks.
Can I get the sound guy up in the back, please?
Okay, that's what you're gonna say to him?
Hey, Ricky, Ricky, please come up. Something's going on with Ricky. Come on, just drop the beer. What are you doing, Ricky? Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna roll to see if he responds. You rolled a 9. First off, his name is not Ricky at all. You had forgotten the sound man's nickname.